Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow changes or access to photos on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Screen Time. Next, we scroll down and then in here tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go down to the Privacy section. In here tap on Photos. Then from here you can choose between allow changes or don't allow changes. So select one of the options. Now set that this allowing changes locks the settings shown below and prevents new apps from using your photos. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.